Christine, welcome back to my channel. Today you guys are going to be getting ready with me, like a chit chat kind of way. It was supposed to be more of like a out the door in like 15 minutes. This took me about 30 minutes to apply, so it's more of like a glammed up look for the day out, not really like a more laid back day. Before we begin, make sure you guys consider subscribing if you already haven't. Make sure you also hit that little bell notification to be notified of new videos. We're gonna first start with the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I'm gonna place this all over the T-zone. First of all, I wanted to just kind of apologize to you guys because there wasn't a Sunday favorites up the other week. So I'm gonna get back to a regular filming schedule. I'm gonna go in with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation, SPF 50, in the shade medium tan because we are going to be out in the sun. Cosmetics Airbrush Full Coverage Complexion Brush, which I have been loving, by the way. It gives a nice, smooth, even coverage. Our son Darren will be leaving for the army for boot camp on the 12th. On the 11th of June, so it's coming up, and families coming in from out of town, they're going to be staying with us. So my filming schedule is going to be a little bit off the next couple of weeks. I'm going to try to get as much content as I can up here on my channel. But I'm just going to apply my brows. We're going to use the Makeup Revolution Brow Pomade, which I already filmed a whole video on this comparison between this and the Anastasia Dip Brow. I have that content. Hopefully that will be up sometime this week. I'm gonna apply my brows off camera really quickly because it's gonna take me forever. I'll be right back. My brows are kind of having their moment right now, so I'm just gonna leave them alone. I'm just gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution Concealer in C8, and we're gonna use this as the eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna be using the Mallywood Eyeshadow palette. We are going to go in with the shadow called Iconic, which is more of like a cooler tone brown, and we're gonna go in right into the transition. This brush I think had some of another shadow on it. Go in with a shade called Passionate, a little bit on the crease. I'm like in a hurry today because we are kind of crunched for time because we're going to be heading out for the afternoon, so that is why I'm kind of in a hurry today. But I wanted to try to at least film something. Just kind of wet my brush a bit, and we're gonna tap into this other shadow. It is called Loving. It's beautiful, kind of like rosy pink color. It's super pretty. I'm just gonna lay that like right onto the whole lid. I really love this color. Trying to like look put together but not overly done, I guess you could say. Into the shadow down here called Kind. I'm just gonna place this right onto the outer edges a bit. So this look, technically it wasn't supposed to be like very dramatic because it's more of a daytime look, but I don't know. I don't get any fallout from this palette, which I really appreciate. Take a clean blending brush, which is really blown out. This is a Sigma E40 brush. I just didn't reshape mine, which I should have. Then I'm just gonna take my pinky finger and go in with the shadow called Fearless, and I'm just gonna pop this right onto the inner eye corners. Take two of my concealers from Makeup Revolution, C6, C8, because I have tanned a bit. Just gonna kind of conceal the under eye circles, brighten this area up. Too Faced Peach Perfect Powder to set the under eye. On my eyeliner, I used the IT Cosmetics Superhero Liner, and just gonna curl my lashes. Let me actually hit my bottom lash line with a bit of Passionate and a bit of Kind to kind of balance out the eyes. I completely forgot about that. Just please excuse the blow dryer you guys hear in the background because the fam is getting ready. So I'm gonna just apply generous coats of mascara to my top and bottom lashes with the Kush mascara from Milk Makeup. To add back some warmth to the face, I'm first gonna contour with the Profusion Contour makeup case. This is actually one of my favorites from Profusion, and I'm just gonna take medium contour and light contour, and we're just gonna kind of chisel out the face. We're also going to bronze up a bit to bring back some warmth to the face. I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics by Pore's bronzer, which I absolutely love this stuff. It smells like coconut. It has like that summery kind of beachy. For the blush today, we're going to be using the Milani Cosmetics. This is the Floral Fantasy blush. And we're just going to take a mixture of all three of these and just apply it generously. To highlight, I've been loving this one from Mally Beauty. It's the What's Up highlighter. So this highlighter down here, soft, is more of like a cream. It's a cream highlighter, but I love using medium and strong with a fan brush. That highlight. It's so pretty. I'm gonna pop on my lashes and curl my hair a bit, and I will be right back. So I'm back. I applied the lashes, which are from Mosquito. I'm gonna go in with the Gerard Cosmetics lip liner. I am not sure of the shade, but I'm gonna put it here on the screen because it kind of rubbed off. Lolita from Kat Von D. The Pixie times Chloe Morello. This is called Lip Icing Cake. I'm just gonna place this like right in the center, the bottom lip. Just gonna set everything with the Too Faced Peach Mist, which you're supposed to first shake up and then you'll set away. Okay, so here is the finished look for today. It was supposed to be more of like a not really so glam, but since we are going to be out and about taking video and photos, you know, it's always fun to play around with makeup. I'm going to take you guys with me and hang out with us for the rest of the afternoon.
I don't really like that. I don't really like that. And how can you paint all the colors of my life?
Made it to Venice Beach. Sun is out today. It's beautiful.
No, I don't really like that. Waking up in the morning, I can't remember yesterday with you. Stare myself in the silence, who knows if I'll even remember you. Waking up in the morning.
We're about to head out of Venice. It was really nice today, fun afternoon. Thanks for hanging out with us. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell notification. Turn those post notifications on to be notified of new videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, you guys might enjoy these videos right over here. Thank you guys as always so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Have an amazing day, amazing week whenever you guys are watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.